Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a quick intro to Python, starting off with a Hello World program. For the Hello World program, what we'll need is print to print out something on the screen, and then it needs parentheses, and inside them, within quotes, we put in Hello World. Let's run that, see what happens, and it prints out Hello World. Now we can change the print to a input, and now it will say hello world, and we can actually put something in, press enter, and it got a user input. Now we can save the user input into what's called a variable. So we'll call the variable just let's call it user, and the input is going to save what the user put in into the variable user. So we can do print, and here we'll print out the user variable. Let's say hi, and it prints out hi. Now let's say we want to check what the user put in. We'll say if user equals Binks print hi, elif user equals Noah by. How does this work? If the user is equal to Binks colon print hi, notice the double equal sign. That is to check if one thing is the same as another, while a single equal sign assigns a value. So if user is equal to Binks print hi, elif is the shortened version, the Python version of else if. So if something, else or otherwise, if user equals, in this case, Noah, print by. Binks, it says hi. Noah, it says bye. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a condition, for example, let's say we have a variable, an integer variable. This button makes your brain grow. I guarantee it.